If you need to change the main domain name for a hosting account in Namecheap, this video will walk you through the process step by step. This is useful if you've switched brand names, moved a website to a different domain, or simply need your hosting account to point to a new primary domain. I'll show you exactly where to click inside your Namecheap account panel so you can do it quickly and avoid confusion. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using the email and password linked to your hosting service. Once you're inside your account dashboard, you'll want to look for the hosting list section. This is where Namecheap shows all of the hosting packages connected to your account, so make sure you're in the right place before making any changes. Now find the hosting package that you want to modify. If you have more than one hosting plan, take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct one, because the domain change will apply to that specific hosting account. After you locate it, click the down arrow next to the hosting package. This expands the available options for that hosting plan. From the drop-down menu, click Manage. This takes you into the control area for that hosting account, where you can access its settings and administrative actions. Once the management page opens, look for the Account Actions option. This is usually where Namecheap places the more advanced account level changes, including domain-related updates. Click Account Actions, and then select Change Main Domain. This is the feature you need when you want to replace the primary domain connected to your hosting account. When you choose it, Namecheap will open a form or confirmation screen where you can enter the new domain information. In the field labeled New Main Domain Name, type in the new domain you want to use. Make sure the spelling is correct and that the domain is already registered and ready to be used. A small typo here could cause delays or lead to the wrong domain being assigned, so take a moment to verify everything before moving on. Next, carefully review the domain change conditions and consequences. This part is very important because changing the main domain can affect how your hosting account is labeled and how certain services are connected. Depending on your setup, it may also impact website files, email services, SSL certificates, or DNS-related settings. Reading these details before confirming helps you avoid surprises later. Once you understand the terms, check the box that says I understand and agree. This confirms that you've reviewed the change and accept the possible effects. After that, click Change Now to submit the request. Namecheap will then process the domain change for your hosting account. After the change is completed, take a few minutes to verify that the correct domain is now set as the main one in your hosting panel. If your website or email services are connected to the old domain, you may need to update additional settings so everything continues working properly. It's always a good idea to test your site and make sure the new domain is showing correctly, and that's it. You've now changed the main domain name for your hosting account through the Namecheap account panel. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.